Induction talk for new apprentices. Question 13 and 14. Choose two letters from A to E. Which two things does the manager say mentors can help with? Okay. Question is, which two things does the manager say mentors can help with? A. Confidence building. B. Making career plans. C. Completing difficult tasks. And D. Making a weekly timetable. E. Reviewing progress. There guys, from A, B, C, D, E. You have to give answer 13, 14. That means you have to take two letters from this four. Okay. Again, I say the questions 13 and 14. Choose two letters A from E. Okay. Which two letters does the manager say mentors can help with? A. Confidence building. Confidence building. The guys. Again, I say I'm saying just the portion related to as Cambridge book. Okay, not explanation or not answer. Just I am showing the pattern of questions which frequently in various IELTS exam. Okay, from the Cambridge 14 book, I have written, I have given this question pattern. Okay, question is which two things does the manager say mentors can help with? And question will give a confidence building, the making career plans, C completing difficult tasks, D making a weekly timetable, and finally reviewing progress. And you have to select two after listening from the listening part. Okay, and you have to understand it fast. What does the manager say? Okay, and mentors can help with confidence building, making career plans, completing difficult tasks, making a weekly timetable, and reviewing progress. And, guys, today I'll discuss about just question about IELTS. Okay, and actually today's topic is related to Cambridge 14 books. Okay, from the listening part, and the section second question 11 to 12. The guys, the IELTS students try to just remember the question pattern. Okay, and after listening from the listening part audio clip, then you answer this by comprehending, by understanding the listening meaning. Anyway, dear guys, induction talk for new apprentices. Induction talk for new apprentices. Question 11 and 12. Okay, choose two letters A to E. Okay, from A, B, C, D, E. You have to give the answer. Okay, which two pieces of advice for the first week of an apprenticeship does the manager give? Okay, question is which two pieces of advice for the first week of an shift does the manager give? A. Get to know the colleagues. B. Learn from any mistakes. C. Ask lots of questions. Ask lots of questions. And D. React positively to feedback. E. Enjoy new challenges. Dear guys, again I say the question: which two pieces of advice for the first week of an apprenticeship does the manager give? Okay, A. Get to know the colleagues. B. Learn from any mistakes. C. Ask lots of questions. D. React positively to feedback. Enjoy new challenges. Yeah, guys, you have to choose two letters from A to V. Okay, and question 11 to 12. What does the manager say about each of the following aspects of the company policy for apprentices? Okay, write the correct letter A, B, and C next to the questions 15, 20. There is these 15 to 20 questions. Okay, and this is the answer pattern. And you have to understand the manager speech at first from the listening. Okay, part. And yeah, the manager has said about the aspects of company policy for the apprentices. Okay, company policy. These are company policy 15, 16, 17, 19. And answer this A and B. Actually, it's a one different pattern question. Okay, different question pattern. A, B, C. A, it is encouraged. Okay, there are some restrictions. C, it is against the rules. And company policy for apprentices using the internet, flexible working, booking holidays, 18 working overtime, and 19 weighing trainers, and 20 bringing food to work. Actually, these are policies for apprentices which has which are given by company. Okay, and it is encouraged if is the answer of 15, you just put this there. If B is answer of 16, you put B. Actually, for giving the answer, you have to understand actually overall meaning. Using the internet, flexible working, booking holidays, working overtime, wearing trainers, bringing food to work, is encouraged. There are some restrictions. There are some restrictions, and it is against the rules. Therefore, when I say, what does the manager say about each of the following aspects of the company policy for apprentices? What does the manager say? Actually, about each of the following aspects of the company policy for apprentices. Write the correct letter A, B, C exact to the question 15 to 15 to the 20. Company policy for apprentices using internet. Whether it is encouraged. If it is encouraged, you will write A. Flexible working. Whether there are some restriction. If it's answer B, you just put here. Booking holidays. It is actually against the rules. Anyway, it's like booking holidays. What does the manager say? From that listening point, you have to give the answer. Working overtime is good actually. It may be encouraged. Working wearing trainers. It also be encouraged. Bringing food to work. Bringing food, but there are some restriction would be given. Okay, there is question again. I say, what does the manager say about each of the following aspects of the company policy for apprentices? Write the correct letters A and B, C next to the question 1520. A is against it is encouraged. There are some restrictions. B, C is against the rules. And question company policy for apprentices 15 using the internet, flexible working, booking holidays, working overtime, 19 wearing trainers, 20 bringing food to work. Our title series built by the sea. Carla and question is Carla and Rob were surprised to learn that the question series A contain nearly half the world's population. B include most of the world's largest cities. And C are growing twice as fast as other cities. Dear guys, question is Carla and Rob were surprised to learn that the question series contain nearly half the world's population. B include most of the world's largest cities. C are growing twice as fast as other cities. Question 22 and 23. Dear guys, 22 question. According to Rob, building coastal cities near to rivers, A may bring population to the cities. B may reduce the land available for agriculture. And C may mean the countryside is spoiled by industry. Again, it's a question to Rob. Building coastal cities near to the rivers. A may bring population to the cities. B may reduce the land available for agriculture. And C may mean the countryside is spoiled by industry. 23 question. What mistakes was made when building water drainage channels in Miami in 1950s? What mistake was made when building water drainage channel in Miami in the 1950s? Question answer maybe there are not enough of them. B. They were made of unsuitable materials. C. They didn't allow for the effects of climate change. Again, I say what mistake? 23 question. What mistake was made when building water drainage channel in Miami in 1950s? There were not enough of them. B. They were made of unsuitable material. C. They didn't allow for the effect of climate change. Okay. What do Rob and Kara think that the authorities in Miami should do immediately? Should they? What do Rob and Kara think that the authorities in Miami should do immediately? Take the, to restore the ecosystem. Take the measures to restore the ecosystem. B. Pay for a new flood prevention system. Pay for a new flood prevention system. C. Stop these materials into the ocean. Stop disposing of waste materials into the ocean. Okay. And again I say 24, question number of 24. What do the Rob and Kala think that the authorities in Miami should do immediately? Should do immediately. A. Take the to restore the ecosystem. B. Pay for a new flood prevention system. C. Stop disposing of waste materials into the ocean. Okay. And 25. What do they agree should be the priority for international action? What do they agree should be the priority for international action? A. Greater coordination of activities. B. More sharing of information. C. Agreement on shared policy. Again, I say number 24 question. What do they agree should be the priority for international action? A. Greater coordination of activities. B. More sharing of information. C. Agreement on shared policy. Here guys, there are two questions which are 24 and 25. 24. What do the Rob and Carla think that the authorities in Miami should do immediately? Take the measures to restore the ecosystem, pay for a new flood prevention system, stop disposing of waste materials into the ocean. 25. What do they agree should be the priority for international action? A. Greater coordination of activities. B. More sharing of information. And C. Agreement on shared policy. Decisions we keep in short. C. Involve other students. D. Check the information is accurate. E. Provide a handout. F. Focus on example. Do online research. These are the decision do the student make about each of the following parts of their presentation. Choose 5 answers from the box and write the correct letters. Actually, parts of the presentation: historical background, geographical factors, past mistakes, specifics, international implication.